I think housing in Malaysia, we've always been stigmatized when it comes to affordable and mass housing, where there's a component of segregation, if you like. Typically, the lower end of the spectrum, the PPR flats and whatnot, are located in one particular location, and the more mass and more affordable range in the middle tier are then located in a different location. What we've seen in the submission is there is this thing about integration, there is this thing about uplifting the society that live within a housing environment, and that comes across partly through the enablement of design, enablement of technology, as well as enablement and willingness of society in coming together to do it, and professionals are responding to that. The government of the day is also asking for such housing, which is focused on uplifting standards of living, gentrification of society, as well as communities. So that's what we need, and that's what we've seen in the submissions in this Housing 4.0 competition.
The concept of home, I think, is a constantly evolving thing. As you know, in Malaysia, the size of households have also been dropping. I think it used to be 4, and it's now around 3.3 persons per home. So that has significant impact on the design of houses, in the numbers of rooms and whatnot. And of course also, different lifestyles come into play, different cultures, different backgrounds. So all these brings up interesting questions for designers and architects for housing in the years to come. And I think it's very important to be able to design appropriate houses to address the needs of the homeowners.
Currently, as we all know, that in terms of construction cost is very high. So probably this is the opportunity how to relook into the construction potential in terms of reducing the cost and make it more efficient. And the flexibility of digital IBS also gives a new platform, a new opportunity for architects to design to break the conventional rigidness in IBS.
I'm glad to be invited as one of the judges for this competition, as it is important for architects to exchange knowledge about the current situation with regards to the vertical high-density housing from our country. By understanding other countries' specific issues through competition, I'm imagining that one day we will be able to compose our own vocabulary in designing vertical housing based on pattern and data that we have continuously observed, and establish better solutions that best suited to our climate and social conditions.
Looking at it from the perspective of IBS, which is highly technical, highly industrialized, I'm looking at the other aspect about the soft touches. How do we humanize it? Looking through the submissions to try to pick that part out, because I think efficiency needs to be counterbalanced by things that are related to the users and to the inhabitants.
The future of construction is no longer construction itself, it's more of an assembly. We want the assembly way of construction to complement architecture.